Guys, are you able to see my screen? Online people. Online people, please confirm through chat. Are you able to see my screen? That's it. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So in the last session, we discussed about what is that? How to create a table. In the general word, table. But here in the Salesforce, we call it as a object, right? Yeah. So we already created hospital, right? Now we want to create doctor, right? So as per our common sense, first of all, we are analyze what type of data we need to capture, okay, in the doctor point of view. So we require what about data? Doctor name, doctor specialization is a drop down or pick list. So availability from it is not required actually as of now. Fees, okay, and qualification, experience, okay, yeah. So fees is a fees also amount, right? I think I need to use drop down. Why I will tell you, okay? Pick list. Why? Because for example here specialization, general, cardio, neuro, 3 values, 3. Card, for example, general like 700 rupees, cardio 1500 rupees, neuro 1200 rupees. That means fee is always 3 values. So in that case, don't require to enter the data. It's waste of time. Understand? So that's the reason pick list is fees is a pick list. Okay. Now qualification is a text, experience also number. It is a number. Okay. So now we need to create this object, guys. We know already. So set up what is the keyword for creating the table? Object. So here click on object or objects. So under develop, see under create objects, click on that. Now we already created. Okay. So doctor already created. Within that name also there. Doctor name is already done. That means name already done. This one done. Now specialization. Specialization is a pick list, right? So it is not a standard. Custom fields. Why? We are the person to create our own field, right? Based on our requirement. So click on new. What is that? Specialization. See here, there is a pick list. Okay, pick list means drop down. Okay, click on that. So these are the data types, guys. Data types means what type of data we are given. Okay, so pick list. What is that? Okay, specialization. Okay, so now click on this, enter values. Okay, what type of values you need to enter in the drop down? What is that? Here, general, cardio, neuro. So that's the reason here, general. Next, okay, next line, cardio related and neuro. Okay, so 3 values. Okay. So here, see here, display values alphabetically. That means A to Z, short order. Okay, if you want, for example, here C is first. C is displayed in the first order. like that. So if you want to use this, otherwise don't require. Okay. Now specialization required. So you must select the specialization. Why? Because doctor related to which category. Okay. So that's the reason this field is mandatory. Okay. Now next. Next. Again, save. Now see, under doctor, we are creating one specialization field. What is that? Specialization underscore C. So for view purpose, why? Because we are entering the proper values or not. So first of all, I need to create the tab. Then we'll see what is happening in the UI. Okay. So first of all, how to create the tab? Here. Tab already there. Yes, doctor's already tab is there. See now, how many fields? Tell me. In the schema, this is called schema, guys. In the schema level, what about that? These are the 4 fields, and this is the 1 field. How many edit fields are there? 2. One is here, name is a text. Okay, and specialization. Okay, so 2. That means you need to enter 2 data. Okay. See, doctor name is mandatory. Specialization also mandatory. For example, I'm not enter anything. I try to save. See, you must enter a value. You don't want to write any value. That is called validation. You don't want to write anything. So system automatically, whenever you add it as a mandatory, so that error message is coming. Hey, this is the mandatory field. That means you must enter the data. Okay. So without specialization, doctor will not exist. Doctor is there, but there is no specialization, means it is nonsense, right? So that's the reason specialization is a mandatory. Now, how many values we are added? 3. General, cardio, neuro. Okay, this is good for us. Now, go to the next. Availability don't require, guys. Why? Because we are working with the multiple records. It is taking more time. If you have time, you can add it. Okay. So fees, guys. Fees also tick list. Okay. Now, how to create the fees? Come to here. New. Fees. Fees is a currency. Fees is a currency, no, right? Pick list. Fees is a pick list, right? We are entering the values. Why? Because see, fees is like multiple values, then it is a whatever currency. But here only 3 categories. Cardio is related to one particular field, particular value. Neuro is particular value. Generally, only 3 values. Don't want to enter. Just select the value. So that's the reason I'm taking pick list. Next. What is that? Fees. So here enter values. So for example, check that. What is the first value? General. General is 700 rupees. Okay. General is 700. What about other? Cardio. Cardio is 1500. Okay. And neuro is 1200. Clear? Okay. Now, this is also, I don't want to add all are required. Okay, some cases I'm just create some sample data. Okay, you need to create. If you want to make it mandatory, you can make it. Okay. Now visible to all. Next. See, guys. I want to, after fees, I want to create one more qualification. Okay. So that's the reason what I will do. I don't want to click on save. I want to click on save and view. That means this field is created and again one more form is opened. So why? Because we need to create one more field. It is asking new field. After fees, first of all, see here. Doctor name, specialization, fees. Fees also come. Okay. Now what is the other field? Qualification is the text. Text means here. Where is that? Here. Text. Okay. Next.
Qualification.
So qualification. So 100, okay, 100 the character limit. That means you are entered like MBBS, MD, blah blah blah. More than 100, it's not possible. Okay, so that's the reason maximum 100. Next, visible to all. Next, save and new. Why? After qualification experience, also one more field is there. So that's the reason I don't want to save. I want to save and new. That means I need to create one more. Save the current field and create one more. Okay. What is that? Experience. Experience is a number, right? 1 to, I think, maximum 30 years. 1 to 30, you need to enter the values. Otherwise, just use number field. What is the number? Where is that number? Okay. So, for example, the experience is 5.7 years. Right? That means we require decimals as well. Understand? So, that's the reason I am choosing number, guys. Next, what is that? Experience. Okay, experience. So this is the label, this is the opinion. Length, experience always 2 digits, guys, right? Like 12 years or 10 years or 9 years, right? Always 1 digit. So here it is taking 18 digits. This is based on memory. So that's the reason I maximum 100 digits not possible, but I make it 3 digits. Okay. Now decimal places. Decimal places means that guy experience is 5.9. So 1 decimal. After decimal, 5.1 is 1 decimal. 5.11 may be possible, right? So that's the reason decimal places are 2. Understand? So now the experience is 5.1 or 5.11 also possible. Understand? So click on next. So visible to all. I will explain you this. This is the security, guys. It's the last concept. Now, is there any other field is there? No. Then so guys, tell me, is there any scenario without doctor name? So hospital, one employee is there, doctor, their name is don't know. Is it possible? No, right? Omkar, got it? He's a employee of the particular hospital. How? Every month these people are provided the salary, right? So now see, doctor name, specialization, fees, qualification, experience. Okay. Click on new. So these are the phases regarding doctor, guys. Okay. So for example, doctor name is some John. Name is doctor. I'm entering some content. He is a general. General means 700. Okay. But I don't want, what about that selection process? Whenever it is general, I need to populate 700 automatically. Understand? Why? These all are to reduce our time, guys. Why we are using the application? Instead of application, we are note down the paper also fine, right? Why? Because it is save our time, the efficiency. So that's the reason, maximum possibility, whatever the application performance you need to give in the less time. Okay. So here see, if you enter the general and if you selecting the 700, it is taking like microsecond difference. But what I will do, whenever you are selecting cardio, I need to populate automatically 1500. Okay. In that case, you don't want to select the fees. Understand? That is called here. This is the, what about that? One drop down. This is one drop down. That means if you select the specialization, automatically we need to populate the fees. That means fees is depending on the specialization. That means another word, fees is depending on the specialization. In the other word, fees pick list depending on the specialization pick list. Understand? So that means you need to create that dependency relation between two. What about that? Pick lists. Understand, guys? Sorry? No. Pick lists. Some cases, guys, some cases I will tell you. What is the other case? Here only cardio related only one value. For example, countries and states. So for example, here I am selecting the India. India related all the states is a pick list. Okay, that means whenever I am selecting India, what is that? India related states I need to populate. Whenever I am selecting the China related, what about that? Drop down stars. So in that type of situation, we are using what? Dependent pick lists. Understand? What is the purpose of dependency? What is the purpose? I don't want to, whenever I am selecting euro, I don't want to select fees. Why? So fees is euro related fees, automatically I need to populate. But here only one value. But in some other cases, multiple values may be there. Understand? Like country and state. So in this case, I need to, what about that? Establish the some dependency between these two drop downs. How? Okay. So go to the custom object. Here see, there is a field dependencies. What is that? Field dependencies. What is the fields? What are the fields? Experience, not experience, guys. Qualification of specialization piece. So specialization, whenever you are selecting the specialization, need to populate the respective field on the fees. Okay. So that means first of all, you need to select which fields you want to establish the dependency. Okay. Which fields? Specialization and fields. Clear, right? Now click on this field dependencies. New. Now here see controlling field, dependent field. Which one is depending field? Fees. Which one is controlled? Select that. Controlling is specialization, dependent is fees. So same scenario, you need to apply the countries and whatever the countries, like 5 countries. India related 5 states, China related 5 states, like that you need to enter all the states. Then you need to establish that. I will tell you. Okay. Now continue. See guys here, general specialization is a controlling field, which is control the fees, right? General, what is the value? 700. Just select. Cardio 1500. So here you can just use control. Okay, 1500. Then neuro 1200. That means in the specialization, see these are highlighted, blue highlighted. Whenever you are selecting general, 700 is populated in the fees. Whenever you are selecting cardio, 1500 is populated in the fee. Okay. Sorry. I will explain it again. Okay. So whenever you are selecting the neuro, then 1200 is. Okay. Again, I will explain you guys. Cancel. First of all, forget about the navigation. First of all, as a developer, you need to understand the business. So what do you want here? So here, for example, these people are, what about that? Here, these people are supported 3 categories. Maybe it is a 30 categories. Different. Okay, cardio, like so many things. Okay. So that means specializations are 30 values. 30 values related, 30 fees. Okay. In that case, that guy is selecting cardio. Out of 30 values, that guy is selecting cardio. Again, fees, out of 30, he is selecting where is the cardio related fees. Okay. So out of that, if you are checking where is cardio related fees, that guy first of all having the knowledge. The reception people have, oh, cardio related we are charging 1200 rupees. Whatever, general related 700. But some cases he is a new guy. The reception guy is a new guy. So he is selecting cardio. but he don't know what is the field. Why? Because he is a new guy. Okay, in that type, to avoid that type of situations, the confusions, this is one approach. Okay, so here as a developer you need to understand which field is depending on which field is controlling. So whenever you are selecting specialization, you need to populate the fees automatically, respective fees. That means fees is depending on the specialization. Fees is depending on the specialization. That means specialization is a controlling field. Fees is a controlled field. Understand? So now go to the, what about that schema? Yeah. So this is the custom fields. Okay. Here, what is that? Field dependencies. Click on new field dependency. Now controlling field, specialization. Dependent field, fees. Okay. You need to create same thing, country and what about the state as well. Okay. Continue. Now see, just click on control. General. Here only 3 values, guys. In the real time, maybe 30, some cases 70, some cases 100, some cases 200 as well. Okay. So that's the reason it is very useful. Okay. Now specialization. General 700, cardio 1500, neuro 100. Okay. Now include values. That means you need to include the values. That means it is, what about that? Included. Now you can save it. Don't forget to click on to include values. Once it is included, the yellow color is coming. Then you can click on the save. Okay. Now see field dependency. What is the controlling field? Specialization. What is the dependent field? Fees. Now come to here. Reload it. See, it is disabled. Why? This is controlled by specialization. Okay. Now cardio. Sorry, general 700. Cardio 1500. Neuro 1200. Clear? The respective value automatically populated. That is the beauty of what about that field dependencies. Clear, guys? Okay. Now, so here this is done. Now I am creating one doctor. For example, John. He is related to cardio. Okay. Cardio means automatically 1500 is coming. Now qualification. Some MD. Okay. Experience like 14 years. Okay. Now I need to click on save. I want to create one more guy we are recruiting. So that's the reason I want to create one more record. 7. That means the current record is saved. Again, new form is created. So this is the new form. Dr. Peter. What is the cardio already done, right? Neuro. Neuro means what is the fees? Qualification. As something. Okay. Experience like for example 9 years something. Okay. Now save it. General is pending, right? General Vinay. Dr. Vinay. So he is general. Fees is 700. Qualification just MBBS something, and he is having like 5.8 years experience. Okay. Now we don't record all are covered, right? Now how many records we have created? 3. Okay. Overall 3 records are created. So doctor is already there. So what is the hospital? This is the hospital. What is the hospital name? Apollo Hospital. In the Apollo Hospital, what is the address? It is Jubilee Hills branch. Now, how many doctors are there? 3 doctors. Okay. Now click on here. This is called, okay, we do the one more object. What is the object? Hospital. What about that? Doctor. Now hospital is there, doctor is there. It is enough for us. Okay, forget about the pharmacy and everything. It is a big project. Okay, HMS is there. I think more than 5 years project. Okay, it's very huge project actually in the real time. So hospital, doctor. Now hospital is there, patient is there. Now those guys are welcome to patients, right? So now we need to create what? Patient object. Okay. So in the patient, as per our common sense, we need to analyze. What's the object name? Patient. Okay. The patient name. Okay. Name is a patient name. First of all, name. What is the name? Data type. What type of data we are provided to the name? Text, right? Text. Then before is date of birth, name, right? And gender. Gender is a male or female. Okay, but here there is no checkbox. No. Why? Because I will tell you. It is a pick list. Okay, I will tell you why. So now name, gender, and why that guy is visited to the hospital. There is some disease, right? So that means this is something. Disease is related to what? So we are supported how many diseases? We have only 3, right? Why? These people are, we have 3 doctors, but we are supported only these 3 categories. That means this is also, guys, again this data model will be changed. Okay, based on our thing, we are the learners. First of all, we need to analyze as per common sense. We are create that. After that, I will modify it. Okay, accordingly. Now disease is a pick list. Okay, he is related to cardio. It is a cardio related patient, or gender like headache something, or neuro. Okay, name, description who provided, doctor provided. Okay, we don't require description. So name, gender, disease, and now date of birth. Okay, date of birth is a what? Date. We don't require time. Why? Because it's not astrology, right? We require only date. We don't require when you were born. What is the time? It is not required. So date of birth and age. What is the age? Age is a number. And any blood group. Okay. Blood group. It is a pick list. Why? Blood group maximum 5 or 6. A plus, B plus, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative, right? So that's the reason blood group is a contact. Yeah. So next, yes, phone number. That means contact number, and address don't require. Why? Because we require unique ID, Aadhaar card ID. Based on that, we are getting the address and whatever. So that's the reason. ID proof. Guys, I don't want to create all these things. Okay. ID proof. Contact number is a. We'll see. It is a text or number. By text means contact number. Some cases, for example, if it is a US, +1, adding the number, hyphen something. In India, +91, hyphen our number. That means plus is a character. Okay, so number is not allowed. So that's the reason it is a text. Understand? Now, ID proof. ID proof is a, some cases characters are there, for example, driving license. Okay, so that's the reason it is a text. As of now, it is enough, guys. Okay, we'll see. So now we need to create the object. Okay, again same story. What is that? Go to how to create that, guys? Setup. What is the keyword? Objects under create objects. What is the object name? Patient. New custom object. Patient. Okay. Why? It is a singular. Now object name automatically coming. What is the AP name of the patient? Patient underscore C. Right? Good. So now, why we are using the plural? Patients. What is the purpose of the plural label? It is a useful for tab name, right? Tab name. Now, guys, see patient name automatically coming. Okay, patient name automatically coming. But okay, guys, see here. See, guys. Whenever these people are entering the data, after that these people are giving one, what about that one form, right? Print out the form, can you go to the particular doctor? So here everything is there, but for example name blah blah blah, gender male or female, or this is blah blah blah. Okay, so after that, based on the availability, the reception guy assigned to the particular doctor. That means you need to enter the doctor name as well here. Right? Without doctor, that guy is whom to visit. Right? Sorry? But here we have multiple doctors, right? Here only 3 doctors. General may be in Apollo, cardio may be 10 doctors, neuro may be 20 doctors, general may be 50 doctors. In that particular time, who is available? That's the reason you need to assign the what? Doctor name as well. Again, the data model will be changed, guys. Please understand. As a learner, we are, as per our common sense, we are created. But again, I will change everything. Okay? Now, what is that? Here we require assign doctor or assign doctor something. Okay? Doctor. Assign doctor or doctor. Okay, it is a text. Okay. Okay. Now this is the form. He entered the data and create the what about that? Print out the form. Hey, can you go to the particular what about that block and go to this doctor? The what about the nurse patients will be what about that? Take this form and see the particular block or whatever will be. This is the doctor block. Something you can wait. Something, right? So here, for example, after 5 years or see, after 1 year or after 1 month, you are again visit to the hospital. Those people are checking. For example, today you are visited. Again tomorrow also you want to visit the hospital. At that time, those people don't create again your record. Why? Because your data already there in their system. Understand? If those people are created whenever you are visit the hospital, those people are created. That means per month you are, for example, diagnosed patients. Every day those people are going to whatever the hospital. That means every day means whenever these people are creating capture the information, 30 days 30 records, 1 year 365 records. That means same data in the database having 365 records per year. What about 10 years? What about 15 years? Up to his death, right? So that's the reason those people are not created again and again. Why? Because it's a duplicate data. If you are entered same data multiple times, that is called data redundancy. In the technical called data redundancy. Data redundancy means same data will be what about that? Repeated multiple times in our database. That is called data redundancy. Very, 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 very important, guys. In the these type of words we are using in the real time frequently. Data. Forget about the what about that? Leave my spelling. Redundancy something. I don't know. Yeah. Data redundancy. MC. Data redundancy. Okay. So redundancy means duplicate. In our general word, duplicate. Here, same record will be created multiple times. That means same record will be repeated multiple times. That means same data will be repeated multiple times. Same data means repeated means redundancy. Data redundancy. In the interview, those people are called, did you face any data redundancy issues? Yes. First of all, you need to understand that question. Redundancy means okay, repeated. So that guy is asking data redundancy. Oh, that means this guy is asking what about that? Duplicate data. Okay. So redundancy is a technical word. What about that? In our general word is a duplicate. Okay. Yeah. Now, so this guy again entering the hospital, guys. At that time, first of all, these people are seeing your what about that form and asking what about your serial number, right? We need to assign, for example, simple guys, in the IRCTC tickets, there is unique ID. What is that? Whenever you are, what about that, purchase one ticket, so in the ticket, how? There is a PNR number. In the flight also PNR number. Whenever you are visit the, what about that, airport, so before that, there is some machines are there. Whenever you are entered, after check-in, whenever you are entered your PNR, okay, the ticket automatically coming. So PNR is a unique number, your ticket. Same like we need to identify the particular patient in the hospital point of view. We need to create one unique identity. For example, what about our unique identity, guys? In the Indian government point of view, Aadhaar ID, right? After Modi come, everybody having one unique ID. So the unique ID is whenever the unique ID typing in the system, your details will become, right? So Aadhaar ID is a unique ID. It is a Indian government point of view. So in the hospital point of view, those people are providing one unique ID. Why? Because using that ID, those people are capturing your, what about that, see your data whenever it is possible. So that means you need to provide one, what about that, serial number or unique ID, serial number. Okay. So this serial number, what is the type of the serial number? It is a number, but PNR, if you see the flight PNR, like TH01XYZ, something like that. That means it is a text in that case, right? For example, no space there. Okay. See, for example, hospital, right? It is Apollo Hospital. So I need to, it is assuming that text. So I'm entering Apollo, okay, -001. I'm entering the first patient is visited. I'm entering Apollo 001. APL is a naming convention. Okay, then one more guy is visited. Then what is their serial number? APL-002. That is up to you guys. One more guy. I'm entering APL-003. But that guy who is the reception already added this data. That guy is left. One more guy is coming. But the previous guy, what is the last serial number? We don't know. Then he's unfortunately he's added APL-110. That means how many serial numbers are missing? 7. That means end of the month or end of the year, based on the serial number, we are unable to get the count of the how many persons are visited to the hospital. Understand? So first year 1 lakh people are visited. After 10 years 1 crore people are visited. So without whatever using the serial number, we are easily identified what is the last serial, the maximum serial number for these many persons up to now visited our hospital. But if you are entered the manually, what is that? Maybe some serial numbers are missing. That means you need to, what about that, create these serial numbers automatically. So in the flight ticket, if you see the flight ticket, the PNR automatically generated. Those people are what about that? The people are not entered. So in the same railway counter also, the PNR number, those people are automatically created. Okay, those people are not entered. That means you need to generate one number automatically. You need to generate one number automatically. So that number called the Salesforce auto number. The data type is called auto number. Okay, this feature if you are implementing in other technology, it's very difficult, guys. But it is a point and click here. Okay, now see, come to here, patient name, right? First of all, I need to create the auto number. So here I'm removing that. What is that? Serial number. Serial number. Record name is the serial number. Okay. Data type is, see here, auto number is coming. Why I am adding only patient? Doctor don't require. Why? Because doctor is limited, right? So hospital is limited, but patients may be multiple. So that's the reason we need to generate one auto number. Okay. Now see display format. What is the format? A hyphen within the flower bracket 000 something. So instead of A, our format is APL hyphen 000. Okay. Now I need to add Apollo, right? APL Apollo hyphen C. A instead of A, these people are already guided to us. A instead of A, I am adding APL hyphen. So number starting with 000. That means the first number is starting. See, starting number is 1. That means APL hyphen 001. Next, whenever you are adding second record, APL hyphen 002, 3, 4, 5, like that, automatically generated. You don't want to generate. Understand, guys? So that is the beauty of auto number. It is automatically generated. Okay? Okay, guys. So auto number is one more data type. If you are click on what about that, without interacting, without adding the data. Okay, one serial number like PNR number or this one. What about that? In the hospital, for example, if you are going to any invoice also one serial number. If you see that, if you are going to the Inarbit Mall or AMD or whatever it be, whenever you are purchasing some goods or whatever it be, one invoice is generated. Within the invoice, one serial number is there. Based on the after you are going to, for example, you need to return back some whatever that your t-shirts or whatever it be, those people are checking your serial number. What is the serial number? Why? Because serial number is a auto generated. It is a unique for you only. Okay? Understand? So in that case, we are using, see here, by default record name is what, patient name. I am changing the label to serial number first. Okay? Then data type is what? Auto number. Instead of text, I am adding auto number. Then format. What type of format? These people are already provided A hyphen 000. Instead of A, what is the project? It is Apollo related. So I am using APL. If you are using AP or APOLLO something, that is up to you. Within the flower bracket 000. Now starting number 1. That means the format is, the first record format is APL hyphen 001. Like that, it is repeated. Okay. Now we can't save. Now see, guys, whenever I am creating the object, how many fields are created? 4. What are those? Name, created by last one by old one. But instead of name, we are creating the serial number. That means auto number, not serial number, auto number. What is the API name? Same, guys. See. Same serial number. Previously, serial number is a text. Okay, now it is an auto number. This is also standard. The API name is name. Always 4 is created, but we are changing the label, serial number. Instead of patient name, I am changing to serial number. Now name is common. Instead of text, I am using auto number. That's it. Okay. Now see, guys, go to the, what is that? Patient. First of all, I need to create the object. Sorry, tab. Then slowly, one by one, we need to create. One more, new What is the tab? How many objects are coming here? One, right? Why? Already we have created 3 objects. Out of 3, 2 already having the tab. Only one is pending. What is the last one? Patient. Patient is coming. Okay. Now click on this. Anything, guys? Okay. The color is this. Add the description. Why you are creating this tab. Click on that. Next. Default on. I will tell you this profile related. It is a security. Now this tab, where to add? Only sales. After that, I am creating our own application as of now. So remove that to all application, only sales. Save. So now see, guys, hospital, doctor, patient. Click on that. Now tell me, guys, how many fields are visible? Use your common sense. 2, 1. By 1, by 2. How many fields are visible now? How many fields we have created? Overall, whenever we are creating the object, how many fields are created? 4. Out of 4 created by, not visible. Last modified by, not visible. If you click on the new button. Owner, visible. Serial number, visible. Huh? When it is serial number is generated. After click on record is created. After the record is created. Why? Because system will be generated. We are not generated. That means owner only. Understand? So by previously name is a input box. That means text. That means we are entered. Now name also, now it is auto generated. That means system will be added that value. Understand? Now see, guys, if you click on save and new. Now one record is created. Right? See, APL00. Who created? System. Click on that now. Now how many fields are visible? Understand? So, but all 4 are out of 4, only one is editable. Which one? Owner. Change. Remaining, see, if you hover that, there is a lock icon is there. Lock means not able to change. Not able to change. Not able to change. Able to change. Understand? Lock means read only. Read. We are able to read the field, but we are not modifying. Understand? Now this is the beauty of Apollo. Sorry. What is that? Patient. Now one record is created. I want to create one more record. Save and new. Save and new. Save and new. How many records? Total 4. Now see. See, this is the recent record. 1, 2, 3, 4 records. Okay. Now, guys. So here, serial number is done. Now, name as usual, we need to create little bit faster. Okay. Why? Because it is the third object, guys. Name. Where is that? Go to the custom fields. Text, right? Name is a text. Yes. Next. Patient name, I think patient is okay. Length, for example, 100. Okay. Patient name is required. Yes, required, but I don't want to use, guys. But because some cases I'm not creating. I'm not enter all the values, so that's the reason you need to add. Now visible to all. Next, we need to create one more. 7. Okay. What is the other field? Gender. Gender, see, guys, checkbox is there, but checkbox means just male. is male or is female. You need to check. So instead of that, I am using pick list. You need to select either male or female. Okay. Now what is that? Gender, male, female. Okay. Don't record now. Visible to all. Next. 7 new. This is a pick list. This. Okay. Okay, this is enter values. What is that? General cardio. Okay. Now next. Next. 7. As of now, we'll see what is happening in the. See guys, patient name, gender male or female. This is all done. Okay. Now what about other? Date of birth. Date of birth means what is the date? Where is the date? Date is there, date time is there. We don't refer date time. Date. Date of birth. See, date space. That means underscore is coming. Okay. Now. Seven new. Now here see what happened. Date of birth side one calendar is coming. You click on that. This is the calendar. You need to select, but here see this is supported previous year. But what about that? So this is not correct for us, right? Why? Because always date is past, right? The date of birth is past. In that situation, for example, if that guy is August 17, you need to edit it like this, 1990 something. Understand? Why? Because so many people are asking this question. So that's the reason. Okay, you need to edit that. So calendar automatically coming. You need to select and edit the year. Okay, guys. What about other age? Forget about the age as of now. Why I will tell you. Okay. Age forget about as of now. Leave it. I will tell you why. Blood group. Blood group is what is that? But that guy don't know, right? Blood group maybe may not be. Okay. What are the blood groups, guys? A positive, A negative, E positive, A negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O positive, O negative. Okay. Next. Spelling correct, right? Blood group. Visible to all. Next. 7. Now see guys, blood group. Okay. All are Come. Now what about other contact number? Contact number, can you check any phone is there? Okay, phone is there. So that's the reason, first of all, you need to check all the data types whether it is supported your field or not. Okay, what is that? Contact number. So here maybe contact number, maybe mobile number or landline number. So that's the reason. See guys, here the beauty here. For example, in the government, whatever that forms, whenever you are entering your data, I think I'm not sure that ID. SSC something. At that time, we don't know what type of fields we need to fill that. So we are asking to someone help, right? That means that user not friendly. That forms are, that application is not user friendly. Whenever we are confused, that means that application we didn't understand, right? You need to guide them. Whenever that guy is stuck, you need to guide them through application. For example, here, see, we have created contact number. Now the end user means the customer. Here the reception guy. Reception guy is confused whether I am entering the mobile number or what about that landline number. Then in that case, you need to guide them to the reception guy. Why? Because he is a customer, right? So here there is a help text. Okay. Please enter mobile or what about that? Land means phone, right? Phone number. Number here. That means, see, please enter here. You need to enter mobile number or phone number. Now see how it looks like. What is that? Help text. Okay. What is the purpose of help text? It is guided. The application is guided to the customer if the customer having the confusion. Now 7. Now see, we are not added remaining fields to the help text. Only here. See here. What is the difference? What is the difference? The remaining fields and contact number. What is that? See, there is a help. Please enter mobile or phone number here. So the application will tell to the customer, hey, here if you are confused, what about contact number? I am confused whether I am adding the mobile number or phone number. In that case, you can add the help text. So whenever that guy is hover, see the mini pop-up is coming. Okay, hover pop-up. What is that? Please enter mobile or phone number. Then he realized, okay, either mobile number or phone number, anything is fine here. Understand? There is no confuse. That is the purpose of what? Help text. Understand, guys? Yes. Now, what about last? ID proof. Assign doctor. Guys, I don't want to create ID proof. Doctor name. Doctor name is the text. Why? Because whenever I am creating multiple records, at the time I need to enter all the data. It's very difficult for me. Okay. So, assigned doctor. Okay. Length is. So if you want, which doctor need to visit or connect, anything is fine. Okay. Which doctor need to connect? You don't record any other. Okay, assign doctor. Assign doctor. Which doctor need to connect? The doctor name. So this is the form, guys. Okay. Now we are created. What about that? 3 objects. One is 3 customers. One is, what is that? Hospital. Second one is doctor and patient. Okay. Now on the top of it, database as of now, as per our requirement, this is fine for our database guys. Okay. Now my other requirements is, for example, see patients. See here, this is the 4 patients. Okay, if you click on go, this is the 4 patients. If you open anything, I don't want page like this. I want to change the fields. I want to hide some fields. I want to change the layout. Like for example, here all the fields here. I don't require all the fields here. I require this blood group, contact number, SN. These are here. Then it is a 2-column layout. Like that, I want to modify the existing layout. How to modify? Okay, and also for example, see here patients. Apollo 001. Who is the patient name? I don't know until you are open the record. If you open the record, then only you are able to see. But here, for example, 1 lakh records are there. So I want to check John. Where is John? That means every time I need to open the first record, that record name is John or not. Second record, the patient name is John or not. It is very difficult. That means same serial number. I want to display the what about that patient name, the required information. So then easy. Oh, so here serial number is there. Same like here name. I want to display name. Then I am easily identify which record is belongs to John, which record belongs to some particular person. So that means the layout. I need to change the layout. How to do? Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss guys. Thank you. Guys, anybody having any questions? So as of now, guys, yeah, tell me. Guys, please. Okay. Need. I will talk to the admin people. Okay, I will because I will talk to the admin people. Then we'll discuss. Okay. Guys, 1 second. See, as of now, so the material look like this, guys. Okay, I want to shape like this. So in this, there is different folders are there. Currently, we are in admin. This basic already done. So this is the basic thing, right? What is the cloud computing? This is the how we are creating the art. This is done. Okay, this is the demo actually. So now we are in here, objects and relationships. So what is meant by object? Standard object, custom object. What is meant by standard? What is meant by custom? Navigation, setup, quick find box, left section, type object, new custom object, and enter your data. Okay, this is the screenshot. I'm guided. So like this, see here I'm creating the TV object. So in our case, why? Because different whatever I'm taking different examples, but here I'm creating the TV object within the auto number 00. We are covered now. These are the different data types. So here, whenever see here TV code, whenever you are creating any object, these 4 fields are created by last modifier or something. Okay, as of now we covered only this. Okay, guys. Okay, 1 second. Guys, I all told you now. So yeah, I will tell you what about that. We are good to go. So I have 1%. Can you get them like videos? Omkar, yeah, you need to connect with Shyam. I already sent the one whatever phone number, but that guy is not responded. Okay, no problem. I will connect with the Naresh IT people. As of now, actually, this batch, these people are not assigned anyone. Yesterday, I connect with what about that? Someone, okay, he's the monitoring all those things. So as of now, this batch, we have one contact person for this batch actually. As of now, those people are not assigned. So today it is finalized. Once it is finalized, I will give the what about that number. You can connect with them regarding your videos and teaches. Okay, only once you are paying the fee, those people are send your email to me. Then only I will give the access to these folders. Clear, guys? Yeah. So can we get demo lecture 3 for free? Yes, Omkar. I think the last 3 videos are free. I think I'm not sure. You can connect with them. Please share the recordings. So I don't have access. That's what I told you. Okay. Yeah, guys, I already told you, Shubham, I have a 2018 password. 2018. Yeah, 2018 means, for example, see guys, if you have like 3 years, you can put the whatever the tech experience 3 years, it is good for us. If you have more than 3 years, anyhow, the remaining, for example, you have 5 years gap after BTech or MCA. Then 5 years, out of 5 years, 3.2 in Salesforce, remaining is put it in some other experience, like whatever the .NET or some other technology. Okay, then you have overall IT experiences 5 or 6, but Salesforce experience 3.2. Those people are treated like only 3.2 years experience. In the salary wise, package wise, you are getting the 6 years package, but experience wise, you have 3.2. Okay, so like that, you need to manage that. Okay, guys. So can we go on the document classes? That is up to you, Kiran. So can you folder share? Vidya Sagar, I told you right regarding this sharing. Once you are paying the fee, those people are give your. See guys, whenever you are paying the fee, you can as whatever that give the proper mail valid email ID, and you want to check those people are, for example, Ashok dot some XYZ. So these people are missing the dot. Okay, and share to me, then unable to give the access. So you need to make sure whether those people are noted properly or not. Okay, otherwise that is another issue, but anyhow I will tell you, no problem. I have talked with the admin, so he said talk to Ashok sir. So yeah, that's what I told you, right? As of now in your batch there is no admin. So today I think those people are assigned some people. Why? Because every batch there is one contact person, guys. So many things are there, right? Maybe today those guys are assigned, so I will give the number. Tarun, I told you, once you are paying the fee only, we are sharing the 2013 password and MCA. 2013, I am 2010, guys. So 2013 means more than 7 plus 2, 9 years. Yeah, 9 years. Put it like 4 years, like some other one, and put the like remaining 5 years is IT. Sonali, I'm working with some other sectors like out of IT, like 4 years. After that, I am moving to IT. Then put like 5 years. Out of 5 years, 3.3 or 3.2 or 3.4 in Salesforce. Guys, I will guide you how to put the fake experience or how to whatever the consultants I will guide you. Not now, okay? Guys, see one thing, I am not sharing my personal number. Why? Because it is very difficult for me. Like hundreds of people call to me. So I just changed my mobile number also. The previous batches. So I mean, see after 12 p.m. up to like after 12 up to like 12 or 2 p.m. I mean the different calls, guys. So whenever you are whenever you are called to me at the time, I'm unable to pick your call, and also I'm unable to answer all the people. I will share my personal what about that email ID. If you have any questions, write the email within one same day. If I am not responded within 1 or 2 days, I will respond to you. Okay, even weekends I need to see all the whatever the emails and respond accordingly. Okay, guys, please understand my situation. No, we are not going to cover any projects, guys. We are just explaining the flow. Okay, this one also one of the project. You need to start whatever you need to put in your profile. You need to start other like travel management or like insurance management, something like that. and the same concept you need to apply in their end also. Understand, guys? Yes, Sailu. So after this course is over, we have one batch, guys, like LWC and integrations, different batches. But as a learner, I'm not recommended now. After 4 months or 5 months, then only I will recommend it. Okay. Otherwise, if you are learn now, it is very difficult to what about crack the interview. You guys are completely confused, guys. So I'm not recommended. Okay. Yeah, Vijay, still we are not, what about that, create any folder. Please wait for few days. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.